and after breaking this trend line, you can see here the price actually started heading to the upside. In a bigger picture, this is very bullish for Bitcoin, guys, forming this ascending triangle to get a possible break to the upside, guys. This is actually a similar move just like here from 2019. Welcome everyone. So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, you can see, if you notice this price structure here of Bitcoin from 2011 till 2020 right now, guys, and also take this Fibonacci retracement level from swing high till swing low level. For example, in this case, from 2013, this was the peak of the mountain, and this here was the lowest point, right? We are going to take the Fibonacci swing high to swing low level, and again we are going to do similar also here from 2017. This here was the swing high level of 2017, and this here was the swing low level, right? And again from 2019, this swing high and this swing low level, guys. So the reason why I'm actually showing you this Fibonacci retracement level has played a very important role, and you can notice that when the price actually broke this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level and this 0.786, this was a confirmation that now the price will continue further to the upside, because if the price is going to reverse, the price will never close above this 0.618 and this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And you can notice that this price movement here, when the price started heading to the upside, we came at this 0.618 level. You can see here very properly, right? You can notice this trend line. After coming that area, we got a big retracement. We came back here, we tried one more time. Again, price broke to the 0.618 level structure, but came and failed to break above this 0.786 level. You can see we got a rejection, right? And after trying it one more time, this gave us a confirmation that, hey, this trend is now heading to the upside, because this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level has been broken. That usually indicates the trend is very bullish and it's going to continue further to the upside. And then we also saw really nice move to the upside, guys. So similarly, guys, if you look at this scenario here, also from the swing high level to the swing low level, you will notice that price, when it's actually started heading to the upside, just like here, we are also going to focus on this 0.618 and 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, right? So in this case, you can see here, price started heading to the upside, right? Price started heading to the upside, but here you can see this weak rejection. Where did it got a weak rejection? After actually reaching this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and then at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, you can see here, the swing high here from 2019 was around 14,000. That was our 0.618, but price never got opportunity to close above it. That would have gave us an indication that, hey, the trend is bullish and it's going to continue further to the upside. And reaching this 0.786 would have gave us a really nice confirmation that now it's going to continue further to the upside, right? But in our case, you can notice that, let me delete this. So now you can see here, we came at this 0.618 was our final destination. After that, we got a weak rejection, and then price started heading to the downside, right? So now we are again going to take this Fibonacci retracement level from this swing high from 2019 here till 2020, this March, the swing low level, guys, and draw a Fibonacci line. So in this way, you'll notice that right now, this massive price correction, price has also actually found rejection after reaching this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. You can notice that just like here, right? We had the rejection, we came back, again tried one more time, we failed after reaching this 0.786, but after breaking this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, that gave us a confirmation that it's going to continue further to the upside. And in our case right now, guys, looking at this scenario, you will also notice that price, after reaching the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, got a rejection here. You can see it very clearly, right? We got a rejection here. And also in 2020, after reaching that level, we had this big rejection. All this weekly candle actually failed to close above it. We consolidated around this particular level and then broke this with this very bullish candle. And this is actually, weekly time frame, guys. So you can see here right now, everything is actually showing us right now, since the price has already reached the 0.786 level, because after reaching this 0.618, it usually indicates, if it's going to close above it, it's usually indicating that the trend is still very strong and bullish, and it's going to continue further to the upside. And breaking above this 0.786, it's going to give us a very nice confirmation. So right now, exactly where we are is also at this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, because if the price is going to close above this level, guys, this is going to be an indication that we are going to continue further to the upside. So right now, this is already a bullish scenario because the price has clearly crossed above this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So if the price is actually going to break to the upside and continue further to the upside, guys, this area is going to be our target area for now. This 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level is going to be our target area, which is exactly at this 20,000 level. So this way you can get an image how bullish or how weak the trend is at the moment. So now we are finding it difficult to break to the upside just like here, but I strongly believe that this 0.786 is also going to get broken and price is going to head towards the upside, guys. So now also if you look at this scenario here, I showed you with this example, right? From this swing high, if we take the trend line, let me take another color. For example, this red line here, this breaking above this structure also gave us a very nice indication that the trend is now very bullish and it's going to continue further to the upside, right? In our case, you can also notice that in our case, we had this similar trend line here, which acted as a very strong rejection. And after breaking this trend line, you can see here, the price actually started heading to the upside, right? And right now, where we are, we have already closed above this bearish trend line and also indicating the trend is still very bullish and it's possibly going to continue further to the upside, guys. And also I've actually already showed you this similar scenario. Let me switch the chart. Here you can see, guys, I have actually talked about this 2017-2020 scenario and also from 2013 to 2016 scenario, which I just showed you right now, right? So you can see here right now where Bitcoin is, this is also indicating me, hey, right now since we have already closed this trend line here, broken above it very clearly, price is also following this rising trend line here as well. Price is following the rising trend line. Even if we are going to see a small correction, you don't have to worry because you can see here in a bigger picture, this is very bullish for Bitcoin, guys. And now if you look at this, if you want to look at this in a different perspective, then you can also look at this scenario here. So guys, this here is Bitcoin USD chart in a daily time frame, and you can see here I've actually used this William Alligator indicator. So according to this indicator right now, this green line, this red line and this blue line, the blue line is the jaw of an alligator, the red line is the teeth, and the green is the lip of an alligator. So when you see this green line at the top and the blue line at the bottom, that's usually an indication the trend is going to continue further to the upside. And in our case, when you see this mouth opening of an alligator, just imagine this is the lip of this alligator and this is the jaw. This is the opening of a mouth, right? So if you see this wider opening of this alligator, that's usually indicating the trend is very bullish and it's going to continue further to the upside. But now you can see we had this retracement and price found support exactly at the teeth line of this alligator, and now it's also indicating, hey, we might see a bit different scenario since the price is now not clearly heading to the upside. But there is nothing to worry because I've already showed you in my previous example that this here, when you see this price coming around this teeth area, is actually a very strong support area, because if you go backwards here, you will notice that price, if it's going to continue further, you will notice that price has always came back to retest this teeth line area, the red line area, and then still headed to the upside and still in a bullish way. You can see here, right? Came back here, found support, and then a really nice pump to the upside again and continue further. Not only here, guys, also here back from 2019, you will see price here had this really nice parabolic move to the upside, sideways market, right? You can see here very clearly we came back here to retest this teeth line area, right, of this alligator, because here this green line was at the top and the jaw line was at the bottom, indicating, hey, this is a very bullish scenario. You can see here, right, because this indicates the trend is heading to the upside. And you can see here we had this similar price drop, price came at this teeth level, found a very strong support, and then still continue further to the upside. You know, guys, I actually also showed you this example on my previous video. This here, if you look at this scenario with this ascending channel, this here, this ascending channel and this price structure here, let me show you very quickly, guys. This here, it was a symmetrical triangle, right? And you will notice that after breaking this symmetrical triangle, we also had this parabolic move to the upside. Price started forming this ascending channel, and then when it came back to the lower line area of this ascending channel to find support, guys, there was exactly where our teeth of this alligator was, and it also gave a double confirmation that it's going to hold the price. And then we saw this move to the upside, right? And now you will look at this scenario, And also look at our scenario. This here was also similar type, right? Let me show you like this way, it's better to understand. So you will notice that this structure and this structure, this is also a symmetrical triangle if you look at this, just like here, right? And also what we are forming right now, if you look at this in a daily time frame, this might also be a parallel channel, guys, because you can see here, right, the price structure, how we have actually been following this line. Let me show you this. This is also indicating us right now. This here, this is actually a similar move just like here from 2019, which is indicating we still have plenty of room to grow to the upside. And now, even if the price is getting corrected, guys, you can see at this teeth area, that's where our support is also going to be. And if the price is going to head to the downside, we know this jawline is our final support. And also this lower line of this trend line here, exactly at this area, we also have this lower line support of this ascending channel. So right now, even if the price is showing some sort of reversal to the downside, guys, I'm still not worried. I told you, right, unless the price is not breaking this 10,500 key level, we are still bullish. And also, if you look at this scenario here and you want to say, hey Anup, what's unfolding? If you look at this in a 4-hour time frame, you will notice that this here, we are forming this ascending triangle, guys. This ascending triangle right now is also indicating, hey, since the price has already tested the lower line area, we now have some sort of like move waiting us ahead to go to the upside. Because even if the price is not going to clearly get a push to the upside, guys, maybe we are forming this really nice ascending triangle to get a possible break to the upside, guys. This is what I see right now with Bitcoin. And also in my next video, I'm actually going to look into other coins as well, guys. So guys, this is what I actually wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, smash the like button. And also, guys, if you're watching this for the first time, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing off. My name is Anup. Bye bye.